authenticated copies ng inyong mga birth certificates, seminars, passport assistance, at marami pang iba. La Viajero Travel and Tours, located at Door 8, Lopez Building, Rizal Extension, Matisip. For inquiries, you may text 0909-129-3000 or 0917-316-3891. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na sa La Viajero Travel and Tours.
Your family deserves nothing less. Give them pure, safe, purified drinking water. The drinking water that cares for your family's health. To be sure, purified drinking water that be sure it's pure. For delivery and inquiries, call 388-3746 or 811-6011. Purified drinking water.
Don't try this at home without the supervision of an adult. You may damage your ears, your computer, your sound card, your monitor, your motor, your hard drive. It's an old kitchen appliance.
Alright, we're back sa 97.5 Spirit FM, 20 minutes after 7. Alas 7:20 na mga best friend. Kining oras sa hatod kinato sa Limbagan Optical Clinic located at Paylon Rizal Street, Batis City.
Eh, siyempre, kining mabahinag hatod kaninyo sa Fighter 150 o Red Lion Shoktong.
Siyempre.
May gabi sarang naminaw ron.
Yes.
Gusto programang Evening Jam.
Siyempre.
Kaya kung pa ninyo ang tambalan.
Walang tambal.
Kasi walang pharmacy. Ay! Niabot na kita itong bisita.
Niabot na kita itong bisita.
Maabot na bisita.
Maabot na bisita na ito.
Okay na to.
Salamat sa nag-video sa mga dari.
Niabot na kita itong bisita.